Hello everyone, my name is YONG and my metric number is 284399. The purpose of this group assignment is to compare the Malaysian and international banking landscape. Malaysia has one of the highest bank account penetration rates in Southeast Asia, reaching 92% in 2020. From this, it appears that the most Malaysians are aware of the need to save, and considering the country's high financial inclusion rate, it is certain that bank account penetration will continue to increase in the coming years. Malaysia's unique banking system is because of the country's large Muslim population. It combines conventional and Islamic banking systems with commercial banks and investment banks making up the conventional banking sector. The goal of this group project is to study commercial banks, the banks most widely used by consumers, while also gaining a comprehensive understanding of the conventional banking system. The group project required a comparative study between Hong Leong Bank, a local commercial bank, and HSBC, an international commercial bank.
My name is Chung metric number 291292. So, Hong Leong Bank Berhad is a Malaysian-based financial service firm that operates across Singapore, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Cambodia, and China. It is listed on Bursa Malaysia and being a part of the Hong Leong Group, it maintains its headquarters in Kuala Lumpur. Founded in 1905 as KUAN Mortgage and Remittance Company, Hong Leong Bank Berhad later became KUAN Bank Limited in 1934. Being the oldest local financial institution in Malaysia, it was acquired by the Malayan United Industries Berhad in 1982. However, later in 1994, Hong Leong Group acquired it and lastly renamed it as Hong Leong Bank Berhad. The bank was officially listed on the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange on 17 October 1994. Since then, it has experienced significant growth, both organically and through mergers and acquisitions. In June 2022, Hong Leong Bank Berhad stands as Malaysia's fifth largest banking group with over 254.3 billion ringgit in total assets. Nowadays, Hong Leong Bank Berhad introduced an extensive range of online banking platforms tailored for corporate, commercial, and SME banking in order to improve the efficiency and convenience in meeting clients' needs. The banking system in Malaysia operates under a dual framework consisting of both conventional and Islamic banking systems. Bank Negara Malaysia, also known as the Central Bank of Malaysia, is the primary regulatory body that oversees all banking institutions in Malaysia. BNM enforces regulation through acts such as the Financial Services Act 2013 and the Islamic Financial Services Act 2013. Meanwhile, the Securities Commission Malaysia is responsible for regulating capital market intermediaries and other financial institutions. The dual banking system and regulations in Malaysia are mainly governed through the FSA and IFSA 2013 as mentioned just now. These laws aim to modernize the regulatory framework for financial institutions in Malaysia by ensuring the financial rules remain relevant, effective, and adaptable to support the inclusive growth and financial stability. They replace several existing laws such as BAFIA 1989, Islamic Banking Act 1983, and Insurance Act 1996. As a result, Malaysia's financial system consists of banking, insurance, investment activities, payment systems, and other intermediaries. Apart from that, the banking and financial services in Malaysia are also regulated under Capital Markets and Services Act 2007, Money Services Business Act 2011, as well as Anti-Money Laundering, Anti-Terrorism Financing and Proceeds of Unlawful Activities Act 2001. Next, the history of international banking system. As we know, Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation (HSBC) is a major financial institution based in Hong Kong. It serves as the Asia-Pacific subsidiary of HSBC Banking Group. By offering a wide range of services, it has business connections to East Asia and maintains a multinational presence. In fact, HSBC originated as a local bank in Hong Kong in March 1865 with a focus on financing trade between Europe and Asia. In the same year, it opened branches in Shanghai, further connecting East Asia with the rest of the world. In 1991, HSBC underwent a reorganization, becoming a holding company known as HSBC Holdings plc. Then in 1992, HSBC acquired Midland Bank, leading to its relocation of headquarters to London. Over time, HSBC continued to grow its network, establishing a presence in various countries and territories. Today, it serves approximately 42 million personal, wealth, and corporate customers across 62 countries. So throughout its history, HSBC faced a lot of challenges, but it managed to adapt and thrive. The bank's corporate character that emphasizes capital strength, cost control, and long-term customer relationships enables it to meet the challenges of 21st century nowadays. The international banking regulations comprise a comprehensive framework of rules, standards, and guidelines that govern the bank activities which are involved in cross-border transactions. The main legislative framework governing bank authorizations in the UK is established by the Financial Service and Market Act 2000, FSMA. So under this FSMA, it is prohibited for any individual or entity to engage in regulated financial services without obtaining the necessary permissions. The Prudential Regulation Authority (PRA), Financial Conduct Authority (FCA), and Bank of England (BOE) are the regulators that developed FSMA 2000. So, in simple terms, the PRA serves as the prudential regulator, while the FCA acts as the conduct regulator. The primary objective of the PRA is to ensure the stability of UK financial system by regulating capital requirements for banks and investment institutions. On the other hand, the FCA focuses on overseeing the business conduct, monitoring the effectiveness of financial markets, as well as ensuring consumer protection. And the third regulator is the BOE, Bank of England, which serves as the foundational model on which many central banks have been based. In order to achieve financial stability, BOE oversees and maintains the safety and soundness of the finance and banking industry by regulating banks, financial institutions, and payment systems. It is also the lender of last resort during the financial crisis.
Yes, everyone, my name is KUAN. My meeting number is 284732. Now I represent the Central Bank of Local and International Bank. The Central Bank of Hong Leong Bank is Bank Negara Malaysia. Monetary policy in Malaysia is developed and carried out by Bank Negara Malaysia. Controlling the money supply, interest rate, and exchange rate is necessary to attain price stability and sustainable economic growth. The Central Bank uses instruments like the overnight policy rate (OPR) to affect the lending and borrowing rates in the nation. Bank Negara Malaysia oversees and regulates insurance firm, commercial bank, investment bank, and other financial intermediaries in Malaysia. This monitoring is necessary to maintain the financial system stability and integrity. Next is the Bank of England. When the Bank of England was initially founded on August 1, 1694, it was not well known for the first 40 years. In order to preserve low and stable price, the Bank of England has to control inflation rates through monetary policy. Through assets purchase and sales, the Bank of England is attempting to maintain inflation at 2%. In England and Wales, banknotes are only available from the Bank of England. Other payment methods offered by BOE include checks for big transactions and Visa for personal business. The Bank of England estimates that every day it must settle almost £500 billion worth of bank-to-bank payments. Next, I will present the banking structure of Hong Leong Bank. Hong Leong Bank is a financial organization with its headquarters located in Malaysia. I will present the structure of Hong Leong Bank. First, Hong Leong Islamic Bank is offering a range of financial services and products that adhere to Sharia. The subsidiary specializes in Islamic banking and offer Islamic financial, takaful, and saving account. Bank of Chengdu. Cross-border financial service and operations are made possible by Hong Leong Bank's strategic alliance with China Banks of Chengdu. Hong Leong Bank Vietnam. While commercial banking service address the financial requirements of Vietnamese enterprises, retail banking may include saving account, mortgage, and personal loan. Next, Hong Leong Bank Cambodia. Hong Leong Bank can fulfill the financial requirement of people and businesses conducting business in the area by operating in Cambodia and facilitating cross-border commercial. Next, a well-known insurance company in Malaysia, Hong Leong Bank Assurance, provides a variety of life insurance products, including endowment plans, whole life insurance. Moreover, Mitsui Sumitomo Insurance Group and Hong Leong Group jointly own MSIG Insurance. In Malaysia, they provide non-life insurance options that include travel, auto, and property insurance. Hong Leong Insurance Asia, HK General Insurance. The subsidiary may be operated in many Asian countries and focuses on general insurance products. Hong Leong Assurances, XG General Insurance. When it comes to travel insurance, they shield people and families from dangers associated with traveling, such as medical problems and trip cancellations. Next, example for Hong Leong investment banks of service included supplying underwriting service for IPO, counseling on financial options like payments of bond offers. Next, Hong Leong Asset Management unit trust distributions. Funds from various investors are combined to form unit trust funds, which are then used to invest in a variety of assets. Last, Hong Leong Islamic Asset Management. It following Sharia compliant investment guidelines. The subsidiary's primary responsibility is to manage Islamic investment money and assets. Moreover, I will present the banking structure of HSBC. It is a vast network for subsidiaries is categorized into three primary regions: North America, Europe, and Asia. HSBC uses a metric framework to run its business today. HSBC World Business is propelled by unseen engines, which are known as global functions. By controlling risk, maintaining compliance, monitoring financial health, and offering vital support service that make it possible for all customer-facing business lines to run efficiently. Commercial banking, global banking, and markets and wealth personal banking are the three business groups that make up HSBC. First, the target market of HSBC commercial banking division, not the individual, is the company. Secondly, largest business use HSBC GBM as a financial partners, giving them the resources and know-how they need to manage risk, generate money, and negotiate the intrinsic of the world financial markets. Lastly, HSBC Wealth and Personal Banking branch differ from its commercial and global banking departments. They are experts in offering all-inclusive financial solutions to assist you with money management at every phase of your life. That's all from me. Thank you.
There are 5 types of risks that involve in Hong Leong Bank and HSBC Bank, which are credit risk, market risk, liquidity risk, financial crime risk, regulatory compliance risk. First and foremost, Hong Leong Bank has a credit risk management framework guided by the Board Policy on Credit Risk Governance, where HSBC Credit Risk Management Framework aligns with global and regional policy, compliant with Bank Negara Malaysia requirement. Secondly, the market risk of Hong Leong Bank is managed with a focus on internal risk efficient aligned with business objective, while HSBC banks employ a comprehensive framework to manage and control market risk explored globally. Thirdly, liquidity risk. Hong Leong Bank have a comprehensive policy and regular stress testing to manage cash flow and maintain liquidity buffers. HSBC Bank emphasizes a diversified and stable funding base. Next, Hong Leong Bank with robust control and digital solution for monitoring and detection for their financial crime risks. HSBC Bank continuously adapt to global regulatory changes and enhance its capacity to manage financial crime risk. Lastly, regulatory compliance risk. Hong Leong Bank focus on local regulatory development and compliance, but HSBC Bank's extensive and detailed regulatory compliance framework. The return on asset of Hong Leong Bank increased from 2021 0.9915% to 2022 1.12%, then decreased in 2023 to 0.97%. Take for example, for every RM100 of asset, Hong Leong Bank managed to generate return of total RM to 1 ringgit and 12 cents as a net income in 2022, where HSBC Bank had increased the number of return on asset from 2021 until 2023 from 0.56% to 1.40%. Thus, HSBC Bank had a strong ability in investing property and generating the return efficiently. Based on the financial analysis, the ROE of Hong Leong Bank increased dramatically from 8.5% in 2021 to 9.9% in 2022 and decreased to 8.8% in 2023. Hong Leong Bank is having a good performance in 2022 and 2023 at converting its equity financial into profit. From the year 2021 to 2023, the return on equity of HSBC Bank had increased dramatically from 4.18% until 10.67%. HSBC Bank have more efficient bank's management at generating income and growth from its equity financial. Hong Leong Bank had the highest net interest margin in 2021 at 1.78%. However, Hong Leong Bank had the lower rate of net interest margin from 2022 until 2023 with value of 1.83% and 1.65% respectively. The net interest margin of HSBC Bank had increased continuously from 2021 to 2023 at 1.67%, 1.9% and 2.5% respectively. A higher net interest margin generally indicated that a bank is earning a respectively high amount of income from its earning asset compared to the interest it pays on its liability. The net operating margin of Hong Leong Bank had grown from 1.27% in 2021 to 1.61% in 2022 and starting decline to 1.26% in 2023, where HSBC Bank had increased the number of net operating margin from 0.6% to 1.81% in 2021 until 2023. A low net operating margin suggests that the bank have high operating expenses relative to its revenue. In 3 consecutive years from 2021 to 2023, Hong Leong Bank has the highest in earnings split compared to HSBC Bank with 18.15%, 27.27% and 29.34% respectively. In 2021 and 2023, HSBC Bank had the lowest earning rate at 8.9%, 11.62% and 16.7%. Hence, Hong Leong Bank had the earning more interest income from its asset that it pay out in interest expenses.
Good day, doctor. My name is MURUGIAH and my number entry is 2F479. Now I will present about the local and international commercial bank products and service. So now for the first one, I want to present showing about the Hong Leong Bank product and service. So for the first product is saving account. Hong Leong Bank offers 6 types of saving account, which is pay and save account, harvest saving account, premium saving account, basic saving account, 3-in-1 junior account plus SLB, pocket connect apps, and junior saving account. So each saving account got their reward and benefit to need to give to the owner of the account and followed by the owner of the account. So second product is current account. Hong Leong Bank offer 3 types of current account, which is top year account, basic current account, and current account. Next, for the fixed deposit, Hong Leong Bank offer 3 types of fixed deposit, which is fixed deposit, senior saver, flexi fixed deposit, and junior fixed deposit. So for the debit card, Hong Leong Bank offer 2 types of credit card, which is debit card and junior debit card. Can be looked above. Next, we're talking about the credit card. Hong Leong Bank offer 9 types of credit card, which is Immediate credit card, Infinite P credit card, Inflight credit card, Inflight Total Edition, GSC Pro, and Platinum credit card, Sutera Platinum credit card, Essential credit card, WISE credit card, IM credit card. So for the loan perspective, Hong Leong Bank offer 3 types of loan, which is personal loan, property loan, and auto loan. Next, we can see about the investment and financing product. So, Hong Leong Bank offer 3 types of investment and financing product, which is unit trust, stock trading, share margin financing. Next, we can talk about the insurance. So, insurance, Hong Leong Bank offer 3 types of insurance, which is flexi, home guard insurance, car life, and travel insurance. For the last 2 types product and service, which is trade service, Hong Leong Bank offer export credit financing, letter of credit, and invoice financing. For the last one, online banking, Hong Leong Bank runs one app which is called HLB Connect Online Banking. This is very convenient for the customer to transfer and do the transaction money in their app. Next, I want to show you about the HSBC product and service. So, first type of product and service is saving account. HSBC just only offer 4 types of saving account, which is Everyday Global Account, Basic Saving Account, HSBC Premium Saving Account, and HSBC Foreign Currency Saving Account. So, next, for the current account, HSBC just only offer 1 type of current account, which is basic current account. Next, we can see that the fixed deposit, HSBC just only offer 2 types, which is time deposit account and foreign currency time deposit. Next, for the debit card, HSBC just only offer 3 types of debit card, and this is more than the Hong Leong Bank lah. So, 3 types of debit card is HSBC Visa debit card, HSBC Advanced Visa debit card, and HSBC Premium Visa debit card. So for the credit card, HSBC offer plenty of credit card, which is HSBC Travel One credit card, HSBC Platinum credit card, HSBC Amana Empower Platinum credit card, HSBC Visa Signature credit card, HSBC Premium Travel credit card, HSBC Premium Work Master card credit card. Yeah, that's all. So for the loan, HSBC just only offer 3 types of loan, which is personal financing, HSBC personal overdraft, and SME financing. This is totally different with the Hong Leong Bank. Okay, for the investment and financing product, HSBC offer plenty of investment and financing product, which is HSBC EZ Invest, dual currency investment, bond and structured investment. So for the insurance, HSBC just only offer 5 types of insurance, which is HSBC Protect Care Plan, Smart Home Cover, Travel Care, HSBC Elite Web, HSBC Elite 7HP GIO. Next, we can know about the I want to show you about the trade service offered by the HSBC Bank, which is trade finance service, trade collection, trade guarantee and standby letter of credit, supply chain finance, trade insight and advertise, HSBC Net Trade Transaction Tracker, HSBC Net Trade Transaction Tracker mobile app, and trade financing solutions. For the last one, HSBC also offer the online banking, which is calling HSBC Malaysia mobile banking app. So very convenient for the customer to do the transaction. That's all for me. I will pass to my next friend to continue presenting.
Changes and trends in the local and international banking environment can be divided into several parts. Mergers and acquisitions are financial transactions that result in merger of businesses or their major business assets. A company can directly acquire and absorb another company, merge with it to establish a new company, or purchase some or all of its major assets, acquire its shares through a tender offer, or launch a hostile takeover. In the history of Hong Leong Bank, the successful acquisition of the assets and liabilities of YONG Capital Berhad on 6 May 2011 brought YONG Bank into the Hong Leong Banking Group. The merger significantly expands the bank's 329 branches and locations nationwide, becoming a banking institution with assets of approximately 145 billion ringgit Malaysian. On the other hand, HSBC plans to expand its customer base by acquiring financial companies across Asia and disposing non-productive subsidiaries. Furthermore, many of physical tasks now undertaken by banks will have to be replicated and replaced by e-banking. In June 2000, Bank Negara Malaysia approved banks to conduct banking services over the internet, recognizing the value of e-banking. In the UK, the number of people using online banking gradually increased between 2007 and 2022. Many commercial banks such as Hong Leong Bank and HSBC have also developed their own online and mobile banking services to provide electronic banking services, including business and personal banking. Another huge change and trend in the local and international banking environment is fintech. Fintech includes digital currencies that are not backed by real assets or tangible securities such as Bitcoin, which are made viable by the digitization of currency. They are tracked on a digital ledger and exchanged between willing parties without intermediaries. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is almost difficult to counterfeit or double spend due to encryption. In addition, fintech uses artificial intelligence (AI) to improve customer experience and better process data, changing the way goods and services are delivered, becoming an important part of banking and financial services industry. Not only does it simplify and speed up traditional processes, but it also increases efficiency. Furthermore, financial inclusion is an effort that enables individuals and organizations to meet their transaction, payment, savings, credit, and insurance needs in an ethical and sustainable manner through access to practical and affordable financial products and services. To this end, Hong Leong Bank has officially extended its HLB Do It Smart financial literacy program to the visually impaired to promote financial inclusion. Under the program, Hong Leong Bank opened branches in Brickfields and Pulau Tikus in June 2020, equipped with the country's first voice-enabled ATMs for the visually impaired. While HSBC is working together to improve the usability and accessibility of its website, adhering to the globally recognized norms and principles. Last but not least, responsible banking is the aid of weighing financial outcomes with social and environmental effects while making banking decisions. A few examples of responsible banking activities include financing environmental initiatives, helping local communities, and avoid investment in risky industries. A similar idea is impact investing, where financial investments aim to have a beneficial impact on the environment or society. Responsible banking aims to build a sustainable financial system that works for everyone, not just a few. In summary, despite differences in history, legislation, organizational structure, risk management, profitability, products and services, technological development, and social impact, local and international banks have both contributed to social welfare, financial stability, and economic prosperity. As a result, banks can respond to the rapidly changing banking environment and contribute to a more inclusive, sustainable, and resilient financial ecosystem by embracing technological innovation, adhering to regulatory requirements, and placing a strong emphasis on responsible banking practices. And that's all from us. Thank you.